Hey bot builders and agency owners, my name's Pat with HighLevelBots.com. Today I want to show you how you can integrate ManyChat's incredible marketing channels, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp with GoHighLevel, arguably one of the best marketing CRMs on the planet. Now we're going to do that with our brand new ManyChat app, GHL Connect. GHL Connect lets you automate the most important actions between ManyChat and HighLevel, creating contacts, adding and removing tags and campaigns, and most importantly, creating pipeline opportunities and tracking your redemptions and ROI in HighLevel. With GHL Connect, you'll be able to do this by using simple Flowbuilder Actions, and that means no more expensive Zapz, no Google Sheets, and best of all, no hand coding API calls. So let's get started, and I'll show you how easy it is for you to create a contact and an opportunity in HighLevel right from ManyChat. You'll need to have the GHL Connect app installed in your bot, and the install link is on the ManyChat App Store or on our website, HighLevelBots.com. Once you've got the app installed and activated with your app license and your HighLevel API key, you can start creating flows that integrate ManyChat to your HighLevel location. We've got an example bot template on our site, and it shows you how to perform the important actions with GHL Connect. You can easily install that by clicking the link, and then you'll be able to see how to get started. So let's go to the flows, and I'll go to the example. The first thing you're going to want to do is create your user in GHL from ManyChat. This way we can map a GHL contact ID back to the ManyChat user, and then we can perform all the other actions that we need. Let's look at this flow and see what it does. So the first thing we do is ask for the email, then the phone number, so we can actually create that contact with some decent information, add them to campaigns and follow-ups and tags. And then what we do is we create this simple GHL Connect action, create user. Now what that does is it pulls up a form, and we can fill it with the ManyChat custom fields like the full name, first name, last name, email, and phone. Those are the most important pieces of information. And then GHL lets us actually add birthday, the address, postal code, the company, the website, and a source. And then GHL Connect will let you add tags and custom fields with their values. So you can add up to 5 custom fields when you create the contact, and later on you can update with more if you need to. To show how that works, I'm adding in the field names from GoHighLevel and then adding values. So over here in GoHighLevel, you'll see we have no contacts yet, but we'll fix that in a second. I come over here to the custom fields, and you see I've got 3 test fields available right now. I've got favorite dish, ManyChat ID, and loves puppies. And these are text fields. And then the loves puppies is a radio field with yes or no. Now, what we do back over here on the ManyChat side is that we actually copy the contact field name, and we basically we copy favorite dish. I'm going to add tacos, loves puppies, yes. And I'm actually going to add the ManyChat user ID to the ManyChat ID field in GoHighLevel. Now you can populate all these field values with ManyChat custom fields or free text like I did here. The next thing I'm going to do is map the results that come back from GHL Connect with a user ID and the HighLevel location, and then also a status message and a status that lets me know that everything went okay, or if something went wrong, I can at least notify myself with a message. So what happens with that, once we create that user, I do check the status. If the status is 1, I know I have a user ID. If not, I can even respond with a message or notify an admin with an email that something bad happened. So we're going to get over here with the ID, the location, and then after that we're going to have an option to add to a campaign and then create an opportunity. So we'll look at that in a second. So let's preview this field here, or preview this flow, and we'll create that ID. So there we go. And here's ManyChat, and it's going to ask me what my information is, my email, like that. And then I'll add my phone number, and this is where the magic happens. It's going to create an ID, and there we go. So it created that user in HighLevel and we now have an ID and it carried over the location. So let's go over to HighLevel and see what happened. So we're going to go over to contacts, and we'll need to refresh. There we are. So the contact is now in HighLevel. You'll see I added some tags. There's my name, my phone number, my email, and if we come over here, you see all the information. I'm not in any campaigns yet, but if we come over to the additional info, you see that we did fill out those custom fields. Very, very good stuff. So next, let's look and see what happens when we create an opportunity so we can track the ROI in a campaign. Creating an opportunity in HighLevel from ManyChat is now easier than ever with GHL Connect. So I'm in the create opportunity example flow, and let's look at the action real quick and see what it looks like. So the form pops up for creating an opportunity. So you're going to copy the pipeline name, the stage name that you want the opportunity in, and then the title, and I use the full name, so it's the ManyChat user's full name. And then we can set status to open, won, lost, or abandoned. I'm going to set this to 1, and I'm going to put in, I'm going to assign myself the information or the lead, and I'm going to pass in the GoHighLevel ID that we just got back from creating the contact. I'm also going to include the email and the phone and the full name of the user. You can also put in the company name as well. And let's go ahead and put in a monetary value like that. So that way we can actually track that redemption inside HighLevel. And I'll put in a tag here, closed deal. How about that? We'll use that. And then I'm going to map that opportunity ID to another ManyChat custom field, so that way if I want to update the ID or update the opportunity later on, I have that ID so I can make a call back to GoHighLevel and update the information. Then I'm going to map that to the contact ID to the ID, and my status to the status and the status message. So now that we've got that saved and I publish this, let's go back to our messenger here, and I'll click this button to create the opportunity. And look at that. I've created the opportunity, and there it is. There's the opportunity ID. And look at that. So let's go back over here to HighLevel, and there I am, the opportunity. You can see that the tag closed deal has been added. I've been assigned the information, assigned the lead. The status is 1. And there we go. It's got the monetary value of 500. And so let's go back to the dashboard. And now we'll see that shows up right inside our funnel. If you're letting your clients access their HighLevel account and they've got access to see the dashboard, when you start running these campaigns, they'll start seeing this funnel start stacking up with all of the users and the redemptions that you start pushing through your ManyChat funnel into HighLevel using GHL Connect. Hope that helps. If you want to get a copy of GHL Connect, we have fantastic pricing for agencies of all sizes. Just go to highlevelbots.com, install the app, download our templates, and start doing marketing. All right, have a good day.